Hello, good people. I want to show you my newest offering from SherikaOriginals.com. You know, I provide supplies and materials for makers, and I have the wood earrings that are done in different shapes. And I have run into this awesome creator who creates coloring books of African Americans, and oh, it is so awesome. I'm going to show you her website in just a minute, but I wanted to show you the earrings that I was authorized to make from one of the pictures from her coloring book. And it is an African American man. I know we like the earrings with the ladies on it, but I decided let me put a brother on some earrings. And here he is. I just painted him just a little bit. I made him really long. These are 3 inches long. And let's see if I could let you see him. Ooh, is he not handsome? And you know, I'm not really a great painter, but I just stained his face a little bit. And I know you ladies that paint can really do some awesome stuff with this dude. Oh my goodness, is he not delicious? Wow. Yes, sirree. So I'm going to show you what else I did with them. And I'm also going to show you her website. All right, so stay tuned. When I saw this guy, I said, oh my goodness, I think I want to make a pair of earrings with him. And I made the purchase from her website and spoke with her about what I wanted to do, that I wanted to make earrings to sell. So I got the authorization necessary for that. And I'm going to put these on my website. There'll be a link in the description, and it will be 6 pair. So a bundle of 6 pair. And, you know, the price that I have on them is very reasonable. And once again, this is something unique. You know, Sherika Originals' tagline is, we help you make jewelry for those who are deliberately different. So we are always looking for something that's not out there, or if it's already out there, then we want to put a different twist on it, because we want you to be able to offer items that are unique. So here I'm putting on one of my Adinkra beads. And now these Adinkra beads have a big hole in them. Actually, they have a hole either sideways and long ways. So because the hole is big, I'm going to wrap the wire down really tight so that the bead won't twist around like it's doing now. So here's our guy. When I look at him, I say, good morning, gorgeous. I love him. All right, let me show you her website. Her website is Positive Mindfulness Hub, and she has coloring books and journals. And, you know, on her website, she talks about her her professional experience, which is in social work and psychology. So on her Instagram, she has lots of positive words and positive encouragement. So I really enjoyed looking into what she's doing. She has her physical coloring books, as well as she has them online for instant download. So go check her out. I did not realize before my daughter started coloring, because my daughter also has a black woman coloring book. I did not know how much how many adults colored. I thought coloring was for kids, but my daughter feels that it is just so relaxing, and when she is stressed, she can get her crayons and her color pencils and her books and just go to town and just really relax. So that's a thing for a lot of people. All right, this is the rest of her her website, and her website is positivemindfulness.com, I believe. Let's see, I have it here. It's coming up. Okay, positive mindfulness hub .myshopify.com is her website. So I encourage you to check her out. All right, here are my guys. Now here he is in black and white. This is how he was when I first saw him and fell in love with him. I mean, these strong features and the goatee, man. Now this was another guy that I saw, but I went with the first guy. I liked him better than this guy, but this guy is handsome as well. All right, good people, this is Sherry. You know the drill. Please like, share, leave me a comment. Let me know if you would wear these earrings, or if you would sell these earrings. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. So this is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.